What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best laptops for engineering students. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I'll try to help you find the right one for your needs. To see the most up-to-date prices and find out more information about these laptops, you can check out the links in the description. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. First up on our list is the Acer Aspire Go 15. The Acer Aspire Go 15 is an excellent choice for engineering students who require a budget-friendly laptop without sacrificing performance. Powered by the Intel Core i3 and 305 processor and equipped with 8 GB of RAM, this laptop provides smooth multitasking, making it great for handling multiple applications simultaneously. The 15.6-inch Full HD display ensures crisp and clear visuals, which is crucial when working on detailed engineering projects or presentations. Another notable feature of the Aspire Go 15 is its 256 GB SSD. This ensures faster boot times and quicker file access, helping students work more efficiently. It's also lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry between classes and labs. Moreover, it runs on Windows 11, offering a modern user interface that can further enhance productivity. This laptop provides an affordable yet powerful solution for those starting their engineering journey. In terms of battery life, the Aspire Go 15 offers a respectable 8 hours of use, enough for a full day on campus. Its wide array of ports, including USB-C, allows for easy connectivity with other devices, which is crucial for students working with various peripherals and software tools in their field. Second up on our list is the MSI Cyborg 15. If you're looking for a powerful yet reasonably priced gaming laptop that can double as an engineering workstation, the MSI Cyborg 15 is a fantastic choice. Packed with an Intel Core i5 12450H processor and 8 GB of RAM, it ensures smooth performance even when running demanding engineering applications like AutoCAD or SolidWorks. The 15.6-inch Full HD display with a 144 Hz refresh rate offers a stunning visual experience, which is great for both work and play. One of the standout features of the Cyborg 15 is its NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2050 graphics card. This GPU is excellent for handling graphics-intensive tasks that engineering students often face, such as 3D modeling or simulations. Additionally, it comes with a 512 GB SSD, providing ample space for software, project files, and fast access to everything you need. The design is sleek, and it includes a robust cooling system that keeps the laptop running efficiently, even during extended periods of heavy use. With multiple USB ports, including USB-C, connecting external devices or transferring files is quick and seamless. Third up on our list is the Dell Inspiron 14 Plus 7440. The Dell Inspiron 14 Plus 7440 is a perfect blend of performance, portability, and durability, making it a great option for engineering students. Powered by a 12th Gen Intel Core i7 processor and 16 GB of DDR5 RAM, this laptop is designed to handle even the most demanding engineering applications and workloads. Its 14-inch 2.2K display provides crisp visuals, making it ideal for presentations, design projects, and more. The laptop features a 512 GB SSD, ensuring ample storage space for all your engineering software files and projects. With NVIDIA GeForce MX 550 graphics, the Inspiron 14 Plus can easily handle 3D modeling, simulations, and even light gaming. Plus, the long battery life, lasting up to 10 hours, ensures that you can work through your classes and assignments without constantly searching for a power outlet. In terms of connectivity, this model is equipped with Thunderbolt 4 ports, allowing for fast data transfers and easy connection to external monitors or peripherals. It's also incredibly portable, weighing just under 4 pounds, which makes it easy to carry around campus. Fourth up on our list is the Lenovo ThinkPad T14. The Lenovo ThinkPad T14 is a fantastic choice for engineering students seeking reliability, power, and a professional design. This model comes with an Intel Core i7 185G7 processor, and 16 gigabytes of RAM, which ensures fast performance even with complex engineering software. The 14-inch Full HD touchscreen display provides precise, clear visuals that are perfect for design work and project collaboration. One of the defining features of the ThinkPad T14 is its 512 GB SSD. It not only offers plenty of storage space but also ensures faster file retrieval and smooth performance for all your engineering applications. The Intel Iris Xe graphics also help manage graphic-heavy tasks, making it a strong contender for those who need to perform simulations or 3D modeling. The ThinkPad T14 is known for its exceptional build quality, designed to withstand the rigors of daily use. With long battery life and robust security features such as a fingerprint scanner and a privacy camera shutter, this laptop provides both functionality and peace of mind for engineering students. Fifth up on our list is the Acer TravelMate P6. For students who prioritize portability and battery life without compromising on performance, the Acer TravelMate P6 is an excellent option. Powered by an Intel Core i5-10310U processor and 16 gigabytes of RAM, this laptop is well suited for multitasking and running engineering software. The 14-inch Full HD display offers vibrant visuals, making it perfect for detailed design work or viewing complex diagrams. With its 512 gigabytes SSD, the TravelMate P6 ensures quick load times for software and project files, providing a smooth workflow. It also features Intel UHD graphics, which can handle light graphic work and simulations often required in engineering courses. The laptop is built to be ultra-portable, weighing just over 2.4 pounds, and its slim profile makes it easy to carry between classes. The standout feature of the TravelMate P6 is its impressive battery life, lasting up to 12 hours on a single charge, perfect for long days on campus. The laptop also includes advanced security features such as a fingerprint reader and Windows Hello for secure logins, ensuring your data remains safe. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.